They all look pretty innocuous, so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't see, oh my, who's the new guy?
Sam?
Okay, we are live.
There you go. All right, great, Sam. Thank you. We'll call the meeting of the General Law Committee to order at 9:01. Any remarks, James?
No, looking forward to getting our work done and then on to our public hearing.
Great. Kevin and Dave?
All set, Mr. Chair.
All set, Mr. Chairman.
All right, okay. I'm going to move to vote to draft as committee bills, proposed bill, Senate Bill number 152, an act concerning electronic delivery of tickets for gasoline, kerosene, fuel oils, or similar substances. Proposed Senate Bill number 186, an act allowing persons 16 years of age or older to operate rides at amusement parks. Proposed House Bill number 5303, an act prohibiting telemarketing of automobile warranties, insurance products, and utility services. And proposed House Bill number 6217, an act increasing transparency for charitable organizations. Can I have a second?
Second.
Second. Comments? Senator Wickos?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Although I'm supporting all the bills today to vote to draft for the committee's cognizance and for those that may be watching, I do have some concerns, and I think we need some JFS language on House Bill number 5303. It's item number 3 on our agenda. I think Mr. George from the insurance industry spoke about how that would harm that industry. We didn't hear anything from public testimony from folks complaining about being called regarding insurance policies. Also, I think the part where it talks about electric suppliers, we have it's in our statutes and it's highly regulated on third-party suppliers. So I'd look to remove some of that language as well, or refine it, because I just think it's so open-ended. But I do concur with the car warranty sales, and nobody spoke against that portion of the bill. So I'd be looking for some JFS language later on down the road. And obviously, with the research of what we're allowed to put into our statutes will come into play if the bill moves out of committee. That's all my comments, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
And last point, Duke, you did some research for us, our OLR staff. Could you circulate that to the entire committee? There are some limits to what we can and cannot do. This may end up having to be something where we ask the department to come back to us with more concrete recommendations, because there just are some limits with what we can do, but intrastate versus interstate. But I hear what you're saying. Certainly, I think everybody's keen to address the automobile warranties if we can. And Duke, if you could circulate that, that'd be great. And again, this is just a vote to draft all the bills. We will get all the final language to you all well in advance of actually voting on it. Representative Winkler.
Yes, I just wanted people to know that I will have arguments against the proposal to allow 16-year-olds to run amusement rides, but I will vote to draft the language. Thank you.
Thank you, Representative. I know there were some concerns on that end. Other comments? Again, this is just vote to draft, and we can just do a voice vote. So I'd ask you all to give me a second to unmute yourselves. And I'll ask all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Obviously, there's everybody's here. You can't abstain. All right, great. That I believe that should carry it for the voice vote. We will leave the committee meeting open until 9:25 or so for Sam, is that okay? 9:20, 9:25? What do you need?
To the
I would say 9:20, just so I have time to actually set up the webinar and everything.
All right, we'll leave the committee
Representative
meeting
Hayes,
open.
can you register your attendance while you're here?
Yep, I see Representative Hayes here. Sam, would you please catch him that he's here?
Good. That takes care of our side.
Thanks. And we'll leave the votes open. We'll leave the committee meeting open until 9:20 for attendance purposes. So with that, I'll excuse everybody, and I know some other meetings going on.
Can I just say one more thing?
Yeah, please, Sam.
Okay, so I'm going to send everyone a new draft of the speaking order list. I added a couple more testimony links, so in case anyone wants it. So I'm just going to send it all in a minute after the meeting ends, and just go from there.
Thanks,
Great.
Sam.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Sam.
Thank you, Sam.
And again, we will adjourn before the Senate takes up. Hopefully we'll get through everybody. I apologize for all the different public hearings. I was trying to break everything up by subject matter. I know it's been a lot in the last few
Mr.
weeks.
Chairman, if I may, the Senate session was canceled today, so we don't have to worry about
Oh,
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
happened?
we're good.
that.
It's Monday
gonna be
now.
Next week, it's Monday.
Oh, okay. Well, then we'll power through everything today. I don't think it'll go very long. We don't have a lot of speakers actually. And then we'll be done, and then we'll be done with our public hearings. So I know it was kind of an intense month. So thank you all for your patience. And we'll see you at 9:30.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Samuel, are you on? Are we done?
Yes, we're just done. We're done. We just finished. It was a voice vote to
Okay.
draft all the bills on the agenda. So now we're just counting attendance.
Okay, all right, 'cause I have another meeting going on.
It's okay.
So I was paying attention to the other meeting and, okay, so we're done. There's nothing more I need to do, right?
Nope, you're good.
All right, take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning.
So what the vote was for this meeting today, it was just a voice vote to vote to draft
Okay.
all the bills. So right now we're just counting attendance.
Okay, great. Then I'll jump back on later during the hearing at some point.
All right, sounds good. I also emailed you guys a new version of the speaking order list, just in case you guys wanted it. It just had updated versions of people's testimony.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Good job. You do a good job, by the way.
No problem. Thank you, Senator Winfield.
Thank you, Samuel.
No problem, Representative Gibson. Thank you.